Hello, teacher.
Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Good. First, we're going to have some personal information exchange, okay? Could you please tell me what's your name, how old are you, and where do you live?
My name is Hannah. I'm 11 years old and I live in Hanoi.
Okay, good. Could you please tell me the examples of extreme weather that you know?
The extreme weather that I know is blizzard, sandstorm, hailstorm, uh, thunderstorm, hurricane, tropical storm.
Okay. What happens if a storm brings too much rain?
It will be flood.
Okay. What happens if a place gets little rain?
It will be drought.
Mhm. What types of storms happen when it's very cold?
Hailstorm,
What else?
blizzard,
And
ice storm,
mhm, what types of storms have very high wind speed?
is tornado, sandstorm, and thunderstorm.
No?
Uh,
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Okay. Have you ever experienced extreme weather?
Uh, yes, I have. I experienced the flood last year.
Okay. How did you feel and what did you do?
I feel cold and shocked. I close the door and the window.
Okay. Now we're gonna find the differences, okay? My picture is different from yours. And we're gonna say one by one, okay? For
Yes.
example, in my picture there is only one tent.
But in my picture, there are two tents.
Now you say,
In my picture, the weather is cloudy.
but in my picture the weather is sunny. In my picture you can see two cows.
But in my picture, there are two sheep.
Mhm.
In my picture, there are one boy and one girl play the football.
But in my picture there are two boys playing soccer. Mm. In my picture, you can see an apple tree on the left from the tent.
But in my picture, there is a, a or an orange tree up next to the tent.
Mm-hmm. Your turn.
In my picture, the woman is
Sleeping.
sleeping.
But in my picture, she's reading a book. In my picture, there is a man standing next to the tent, and he's wearing blue jeans and a red jumper.
But in my picture, he is wearing green jumper.
Okay, good. Now we're gonna exchange some information. Okay. But first, I'm gonna ask you some questions, and then you're gonna ask me questions. Okay. What is Harry's favorite restaurant name?
Harry's favorite restaurant name is Ben Burgers.
Okay. Is it expensive or cheap?
Is it cheap?
Okay. How often does he visit it?
He visit it every every Saturday.
Mm. What time does it close?
It's closed at 10 o'clock.
Is it near his home?
Yes, it is.
Are you asking me?
What is Helen's favorite restaurant name?
Pasta place.
Is it expensive or cheap?
It is expensive.
How often does he visit this restaurant? She visits this restaurant.
Once a month.
What time does this restaurant close?
At midnight.
Is it near her home?
No, it isn't. Okay. Now you gotta choose the topic. One or two.
Two.
Okay. Could you please talk about the copycat animal that you're interested in?
Um, the copycat that I interested in is a chameleon.
Mhm.
It's also my favorite copycat animal because it can change its body color. Um, it has cylindrical shape and the eye is vertical has vertical pupils. Um, um, it can change its color to blind into the environment. It can turn to yellow, red, orange, or green. And when it turns its body color, it can hide in things around it, and it's difficult to find. Thank you for listening to me.
That's all?
Yes.
Okay. Goodbye. We're finished. Thank you.